Imagine stepping into your own private sanctuary, a place where sleek design meets the serenity of nature. Hi, I'm Brian here at the Sauna Place. Meet the Heritage Aurora Square Glass, a modern cube-shaped outdoor sauna engineered for up to 3 people. It's compact, measuring 7.5 feet by 5.5 feet by 7.5 feet tall, with 6.5 inches of standing room. Yet the Aurora is big on luxury and atmosphere. Inside, every inch is crafted from high-grade thermally treated thermowood, appreciated not only for its clean aesthetic, but also for exceptional heat retention and outdoor resilience. The rich warmth of the wood surfaces invites a sense of comfort, while its natural durability ensures years of reliable performance. And the real star? A full glass front wall and door, crowned by a half-moon panoramic window. This design draws in daylight, brightening each session with natural golden rays. Imagine gazing out to mist-covered pines at dawn, sparkling water at sunset, or a winter wonderland framed through this crystal-clear canvas. The cube's compact footprint doesn't compromise spacious comfort. Ample room for 2 or 3 to lean back and unwind. Thermowood's even natural heat gives a cozy, enveloping warmth, while the glass front creates a seamless connection with the outdoors. The precision joinery and smooth finishes reveal a meticulous attention to detail. Every element is chosen for both form and function. As dusk falls, the sauna's interior glow pops behind the glass, a glowing cube in the landscape inviting you in. The Heritage Aurora Square Glass offers more than heat. It offers a moment of calm, an immersive retreat that fuses premium materials, thoughtful design, and the beauty just outside of your window. The Heritage Aurora Square Glass, your view, your sanctuary. If you want to see more sauna products or innovations, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about the Aurora line of Heritage saunas, or if you're ready to upgrade your sauna experience, give us a call at 931-516-6577 or visit us at saunaplace.com. We hope to see you soon.